Welcome! In front of me is MSI Cyborg 15, and in this video I will show you how to put your laptop on a lock screen. To do that, press the start button right here, then click on the power options and select lock. And this is the usual way to do that, but if you want to do that quicker, you can use a shortcut consisting of Windows and L buttons. So if you press them both at the same time, you will also put your device on a lock screen. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.